Manufacturing Expo is on its second and last day. Now, local manufacturers have been able to showcase their locally produced pharmaceutical products. Let's now join our reporter Elizabeth Atieno to tell us what happened.
And we look forward also to supporting technology transfer from our research institutions, as well as supporting local pharmaceutical manufacturers in ensuring that we have innovative products for our country. The push to start Kenya Biovac started a while ago with a feasibility study that was taken by KEMRI and established that this is a viable project. And we look to being able to provide, to avail vaccines, make them affordable and accessible, especially for the primary immunization program in this country. We're also looking into ensuring that the country is prepared for any pandemics. We learned lessons from COVID-19, and therefore we are positioning Kenya to be the biotech.
Because now we want to embrace the local manufacturers to be the ones who does this bidding of these items. So we saw it is right because we are in the center of acquiring their products. So we saw it's right that if we come, they need to know that everything they are doing, the market, the sales market center is already reserved, which is KICC. Yeah, that's that.
So when you talk to manufacturers, local manufacturers,
yes,
face a number of problems, including, of course, gaps in the laws, of course, we are housing the distribution, which can say is the Why do we have this challenge for local manufacturers?
Okay, the challenge is not about the local manufacturer alone. I think just business stand with the country. What KICC does, it's open for all competition, and mostly you get some of these items are now reserved for local manufacturers, and challenges that local manufacturers get. Thank you very much. My name is Christopher Okoth. I'm a quality assurance analyst in KICC. KICC, when anything comes that should reach mwananchi in terms of medical commodity, KICC do what is called open tender, and in that open tender there are some which are reserved for local people or the disabled group. So all these things are in specification of tender, and any local manufacturer, the reasons why KICC is coming in is to reduce turnaround time, whereby the time for delivery, when you already gotten that tender, the time at which you want to deliver it in KICC, it should be that short, so that our people don't lack that drug or that medical commodity at a time that it is needed. Yeah, so in this, we see we have a plus, and we also congratulate our government for embracing this, because I'm very sure KICC will be the first to smile to make sure that our customers are now happy. Because if we call for a drug that is not in the stock, we are very sure that it will come, if not one day. It is because of the manufacturing period. It can take even 2 or 3 days before it comes to our warehouse. And in that, you'll see if it's something that was to go to even, let's say, Kitui or any other county, the turnaround time will be shortened. And in that, we have a plus. So we say kudos to our government for doing this, because that call of KICC not delivering on time will be a thing of the past. Yeah.
And for the local manufacturer watching right now, someone maybe new in the business, what can they do so that they will supply these particular?
Okay, just like what government, President Ruto says yesterday, any government, any local manufacturer that want to do business, you must do it right. By doing it right, taxation, all those things that for you to do manufacturing, there's something called good manufacturing practice. Those regulatory bodies they must conform with them. All the documentation must be right, so that when the product comes, quality is to as per. So we'll be very happy when they do the right thing first, because you cannot say that you want to be a local manufacturer somewhere that somebody does.
Now, leaders and residents from the county of West Pokot are